So friends, let's make this Mysore Masala Dosa. Now I have taken 1 tablespoon of tamarind and soaked it in 1/4 cup of warm water. We'll also need some 5 dried red chilies which I've cut into half, 6 cloves of garlic. This is 3/4 of a cup of roasted chana dal and some salt to taste. Now this chana dal is easily available. It's called dal in any grocery store. Now I'm going to dry roast the red chilies and the garlic for some time on a low to medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes and let them cool to room temperature. Now the tamarind also has soaked completely in the hot water. Just check that there are no seeds. Now I'm going to transfer the chilies and the garlic which we have roasted and they have cooled down to room temperature. I'm going to add that to a mixer jar. Next I'm going to add this dal. You get this very easily. It's called roasted dal. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of grated coconut, which is optional. I'm going to add this entire tamarind along with everything. We're not going to make it into a pulp and strain it. We're going to add the entire thing and some salt to taste. And I'm going to add a little water, starting with about 1/4 cup of water. And you can see, depending upon your mixer jar, etc., it has to become into a very, very fine paste. So you can add about another 1/4 cup of water if you feel, and just grind this. It takes about 2 minutes at least to grind it, and you get this very smooth paste. This is our chutney. We'll also need some finely chopped onion and some coriander. And my dosa batter is all ready. I'll leave a link of how I prepare this dosa batter at home in the description box below. It's very simple. Now I've heated up my iron pan really, it has to be really hot. So I've heated it on a medium to high flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then I just put some water, wipe it with a clean kitchen napkin. And then I'm just going to make a dosa. I will leave a link to how to make dosas, etc. in the description and comment section, so you can go and see the entire video there. And since this is a ghee Mysore dosa, I'm going to add some ghee and I'm going to let the dosa cook. So then the sides start browning. I'm going to add this chutney that we prepared, spread it evenly all over the dosa. This is not a very spicy chutney. You can taste it before applying it to the dosa, but it's not very spicy. So evenly apply it everywhere. And then you're just going to sprinkle some finely chopped onions, and the onions have to be really finely chopped, and some very finely chopped coriander. And let the dosa really cook well. Let the edges be nice and crispy and brown. And then all you have to do is just use your spatula and lift up the dosa and fold it up into half. Now you don't need any chutney or anything with this dosa. It's just great all by itself. But I will leave a link to all the chutney recipes that I have in the description box below. So you all can check it out and make a chutney if you like. And I'm storing the remaining in my refrigerator so I can make it whenever I want to. So I hope you try out this recipe, guys. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.